typical pothole repair for most homeowners takes between 20 and 60 minutes per hole when planned correctly. For a reliable, quick repair, start by clearing loose debris and water from the hole using a stiff broom and a shop vacuum or hand tools to reach firm edges. If the asphalt is frayed at the edges, square it up with a cold chisel and hammer to create a firm vertical face that the patch can bond to. Compact the base by tamping with a hand tamper or the flat side of a sledge on a scrap board, aiming for a solid, immobile substrate. Loose bases are the main cause of early failure. Select a high-quality cold patch asphalt and pour in layers no thicker than 2 inches, compacting each layer thoroughly until the patch is slightly proud of the surrounding pavement to allow for settling. After compaction, seal the perimeter with a liquid crack sealer or an asphalt emulsion to keep water out and extend life. Apply with a caulk tube or brush following product instructions. For larger holes, recruit a helper to hold the patch bag and tamp while you pour, and allow traffic only after the patch has firmed up according to the product cure time, usually several hours to a full day for best results. Homeowners often underestimate how important proper edge preparation is, thinking a quick pour will do. Clean and square the edges first, so the patch bonds and does not shear out under traffic. Another common issue is poor compaction. Insufficient tamping leaves voids and leads to rapid failure, so compact in thin lifts until solid. Finally, people forget to seal the perimeter, which lets water infiltrate and undermines the repair. A simple bead of crack sealer around the edge prevents water-driven damage. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and make it easier to plan projects like pothole repairs using community advice. Our site helps contractors find work and join discussions where we and our members share practical tips and real-world experiences.